Welcome back to the final video of the series of how to open up a bank account. I know, it sounds silly to say that I have 3 videos on how to open up a bank account. And yes, it is super easy. But if you watch the previous videos, you'll know that there's actually a lot more work that goes into it, like knowing what types of accounts to open, where to go to open up your account, and what to look for so you don't get charged any unnecessary bank fees. Once you decide on where you want to go to open up your account, we move to the easiest part of this whole thing, actually opening up that account. First, you have to decide if you want to go into a physical branch or if you want to open the account by yourself online. The main advantage of opening up the account in person is that it gives you the opportunity to ask questions directly to a banker or a teller, making the process super easy. They will ask you questions just to get your profile into their system and open up that account, and sometimes they need proof of address, ID, or social security card so you could provide it for them right on the spot. The trade-off? Well, you actually have to go in person and talk to people. If that's not your thing, opening up an account online might be a better option for you. Doing that online is much more convenient and faster, but online banks will also ask you to provide personal information like an ID or a social security number. If it's a completely online bank, you might have to submit a picture of your ID. If it's a regular bank with an online option, the bank might ask you to bring in your information into the branch to confirm your identity. Either way, it's super easy, but you will need the following documents. All banks will require you to provide a few key pieces of information to verify you. In other words, you need to prove you are who you say you are, as banks take identity theft very seriously. The basics you'll need will include your full name, date of birth, and your social security number. They'll also require your phone number, possibly an email address, and finally your physical current address. You'll be required to provide a valid photo ID, and this can be a driver's license, state ID, and some banks accept passports as well. And it is important to note that banks will not accept an expired ID. If you do decide to open up a bank account in person, the banker will ask you all of these questions and input the information for you. If you decide to do it online, you'll have to input all that information yourself. And that's pretty much all you need to open up that account. Now that you have all of that information from this 3-part series, you can confidently go and open up your bank account so you can start depositing and saving your money. And just remember to investigate the requirements on these accounts and the banks that you're choosing so that you don't get charged any unwanted fees. And like I said before, any bank will do. You can always open an account in another bank or a credit union later down the road. For example, my main financial institution is a big bank. It's not a giant bank, but it's fairly big. It's in a few different states. I also have an account with a credit union that I sometimes use. Most of my savings necessarily married to any one bank account or any one bank once you open up an account with them. But I hope you guys found these videos helpful. I hope that this has helped somebody being able to build that confidence to go and open up that account. If you had any questions or anything, I hope I answered those for you. But if you did find these videos helpful, please let me know by subscribing to the channel. I'd love to be able to share more knowledge with you guys, and let me know in the comments what other topics you guys would want me to cover that you should have learned in school but you didn't. And I'd love to cover them. I'd love to be able to share my knowledge that I've learned throughout my 32 years of life with you guys. So that's going to do it for this series, and thank you for watching. I'll see you for the next video.